Hi friends, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and doing well. Today I am going to share with you very stylish latex leather outfits for men, stylish designs, latest collection, very stylish outfits and ideas. So please support me by sharing my video. In our channel you can see latest dresses. So dear friends, keep watching, keep visiting for more videos. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. You can see latest dresses, designs, beautiful outfits. So keep watching, keep visiting for more videos. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. All designs are different from each other. Beautiful color combinations. Shiny collection. Outfits, dresses for stylish men. So please take good care of yourself and thank you so much for watching my video.